What's up, guys? It's your boy Tooch here, back with another video, and today we are playing some more Dragon Ball Legends, and we'll be going through and using the new Lineage of Evil team. Kind of, it's more of a Frieza team, but it's kind of still technically Lineage of Evil since they're all Lineage of Evil, but they're all Frieza. So yeah, technically a Frieza Force team, kind of Lineage of Evil team. But regardless, we get the red Frieza, the blue EX Frieza Zenkai, and probably going to be using the purple or the yellow one. The green one's kind of outdated. This team is one Zenkai away from being top tier in my personal opinion. It's one Zenkai away. So, before we get that Zenkai, which I think is going to happen eventually, it's inevitable, guys. It's inevitable. I want to use this team in PvP, and let's see how we do. Oh, so start off with UI, okay. I was gonna say, I'm not really sure what he's trying to do here. Bingo, there's the switch that I wanted. Can I get him? Oh, he's immune. Forgot about that. Nope. For a second, I thought it might have been a bot, but it's not. Yes, sir. The amount of damage that oh my god, that EX Frieza does, and he left. Okay, well, he left. It's all right. We'll finish this up still, just so I can show off this team. Oh, I thought the computer sidesteps. Yeah, go for it. Go for it, Chief. You haven't landed a single hit, so it's ult not gonna do that much, and I'm type neutral. Type negative against me. I have the advantage now. So I can do, yep, figured he's gonna do that. We'll do this. Plug and tap, nope. PV, use the ult. Like, people sleep on this Frieza a little bit. They low-key sleep on this Frieza just a little bit. Go right away. It's fine. Just stop that. You know, you really didn't have to do that. Blue strike. Strike. Blast. Special move. And it was a green card. Alright, well. Oh dear, he still has his ult too. And PV, this will be game. Coolio. Alright, so that kid ended up leaving the beginning, which kind of stinks, but it's okay. So I decided to bring the green Frieza on this one. He started off with Kaioken, alright. Just because I thought he was going to bring Bardock and also the red Gogeta because they were both Zenkai'd, but he didn't. He didn't go with either one of them. Oh, that's fine. Ooh, the paralysis though. The paralysis. Oh, you guys' endurance. It's alright. Nope. Oh, he goes right away. Good to know. I should just stayed in with that red Frieza, honestly. Could have capitalized a little more. He's gonna... I was gonna say, he's gonna get a green card or a blue card there. I forgot which one he gets. Do this. Yeah, that's fine. Go ahead. You are a dead Goku, my friend. Get that blast damage up. And we're going to tackle because he likes to sidestep. And this is going to be a dead Gogeta. Look at that. Like, this team, they can go through some units. If they're played right and you got them high enough start, they can terrorize some units. Alright, God Key team. Oh, so he darn, he did bring her. Alright, I'll just do this. Size up. Nope, it's PV, so it's fine. Let's get this up. Okay. Let's do that. Ah, I forgot he taps. Okay. I'll let him take a few hits. Never mind. He's gonna stay in now. I was gonna switch him out because UI. What are you doing, buddy? Nope. Alright, it's fine. Can I get PV? Dang, you guys still got those taps in. Oh! Doesn't work that close? I thought it would. Alright, that's good to know. Oh, we dropped. Strike? Dropped again. I don't know if he's dropping intentionally or not. Yeah, well, you're not going to take that hit regardless, so. If that yellow Frieza gets a Zenkai. Oh, man. Nope. I'm just gonna do it. Alright, that works. That's fine. Strike. Just because we need the special move here. Alright, cool. So we would have been fine with the strike or a blast. So Vados is gone. That's huge because UI is squishy. So I don't mind about keeping him in. My taps didn't go through. Blue. He's probably gonna take off his first life. Yep. Do this. Get rid of your gauge. Why would you switch out? Yep, I figured that was coming. Go quick. Ooh. Oh, I meant the side step there. Alright, blue Frieza's probably gotta go. Can you drop it? Nope. Crap. And here comes the Rising Rush. I didn't mean to do taps on the first one. Do this because of UI. Yep. Follow up with that. Let's go. He's not immune. Oh boy. I think I still have my advantage too. I don't. Nope. No. Oh crap. That's game. No! He just had to use his Rising Rush and it would have been game. He didn't. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah, so as you can see, they're a little squishy still. That yellow Frieza, he definitely needs a Zenkai, I think. If he gets a Zenkai Frieza Force, well, I don't know, Lineage of Evil / Frieza Force team will be very, very good. I think they'll be top tier again. But I hope you guys enjoyed. That was the new LOE or Frieza Force team, whatever you want to call them, because it's just Frieza. That was the team in PvP, and as you can see, I'm above battle rank 50, and all those guys were too. So I don't know, they're okay. You guys can kind of make the call if you think this team could be pretty good or not now. I think they're middle of the road. Again, if they get one Zenkai, it's either the yellow or the green Frieza, maybe even LF Frieza, I don't know. Any of those Friezas, if they get a Zenkai, it's a wrap, I think, personally. It's a wrap, and they're back into top tier category. But it's been your boy Tooch, guys. I'm out. Be strong, stay strong. Peace!